and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Wheeling, West Virginia to see the Madonna of the Trail statue here. Now, the Madonna of the Trail statues, they were placed, I believe, in the 1920s. They were set up by the Daughters of the American Revolution to commemorate the old National Road Trail, which consisted of the National Road, and then what later became the western part was part of the Santa Fe Trail, which later became Route 66. So that is kind of how it came about. There are 12 of these statues in 12 different states across the country, going from Maryland all the way to California. And we're here at the one in West Virginia. So let's go and check it out. And there she is, the Madonna of the Trail here in West Virginia. National Society of the Daughters of the American Revolution Memorial to the Pioneer Mothers of the Covered Wagon Days. Have the Daughters of the American Revolution symbol there. On the eastern side it says, "To the pioneer mothers of our mountain state, whose courage, optimism, love, and sacrifice made possible the national highway that united the East and West." Backside National Old Trails Road, 1928. And the western side of the statue says, "By the authority of the United States government, chiefly through the statesmanship of Henry Clay, this road was made possible in 1806. The road he's talking about is the National Road, authorized by Thomas Jefferson. It went originally from Maryland and ended in Vandalia, Illinois. Alright, and there is a placard talking about the Madonna of the Trail. Shows you the old National Trail Road. And then here is the route of the National Road. There's also this marker here. It says the National Pike. The National Pike, called the Old Cumberland Road, was started in 1811 and used to Wheeling in 1817 by mail coaches from Washington by 1818. Most of it followed the Cumberland Path and Braddock's Road from the Cumberland, Maryland. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you dislike this video, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, YouTube, and making a donation or becoming a member at any one of those sites. Thank you for watching. Till next time, that's a wrap.